In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get on the App Store so you've got an iPhone or iPad and you're ready to dive into the vast ocean of applications available to you. From productivity tools to the latest games, the App Store is your gateway to enhancing your device with millions of apps. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can browse and download apps like a pro. First, grab your iPhone or iPad and locate the App Store icon. It's typically found on your home screen and looks like a stylized letter A made with paintbrushes. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap it to open. This will take you to the main App Store interface, which is your starting point for discovering and downloading apps. Now direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a magnifying glass icon labeled Search. Tapping on this will bring up the search bar and a keyboard where you can start typing the name of the app you're looking for. If you're not quite sure of the exact name, no worries, you can enter a related term, and the App Store will suggest apps based on what you've typed. Once you've entered the app name and pressed search, you'll be presented with a list of apps related to your search terms. Scroll through the options until you find the app you're looking for. You'll notice that most apps display a button on their right. For free apps, this button will usually say Get. For paid apps, you'll see the price listed there. Tap this button to start the installation process. Now, to ensure security, your iPhone or iPad will ask you to confirm the download. If your device supports Face ID, just glance at it to authenticate. If it has Touch ID, you'll need to press your finger on the home button. For older devices, or if these options aren't available, you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password instead. This step helps verify that it's you making the purchase or download, keeping your device and personal information safe. Once confirmed, the app will begin to download. You'll notice the icon appears on your home screen with a progress circle indicating the installation status. Depending on your internet speed, this could take just a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the circle completes, your app is ready to use. And there you have it. The app is now installed on your device, ready for you to explore and enjoy. Remember, the App Store is constantly updated with new content, so feel free to repeat these steps whenever you want to discover and install something new. Thanks for watching and happy app hunting.